What sets SIA apart is that we have a best-in-class project success and retention rate of greater than 95% as compared to the industry, which is around a 50% failure rate. There's a variety of reasons why folks choose ZIA. Number one, our experts have on average of 15 years of experience working with these technologies. Number two, our methodology is bulletproof. We have a specific methodology that has been honed over several years and several projects to ensure successful outcomes for all of our customers. And three, ZIA is recognized by several awards in a variety of different industry verticals. Working with ZIA to design and implement a robotic process automation solution, one of our customers achieved $1 million in a return on investment by automating redundant tasks, reducing downstream costs by 15% by simplifying tasks, increasing capacity since a bot can run continuously, and redeploy more than 50% of the staff that was associated with manual processing. Additionally, this modernization allowed the customer to have direct and measurable insights into processes which can enable them to further fine-tune their customer experience. But what they forgot to do is take a look at what is the cost going to be associated with managing that application and ensuring that they continue to derive value from the application. Without considering both, you can very easily cannibalize your initial ROI by trying to hire a significant team to manage the application ongoing. That means putting staff in, training that staff, and continuing to evolve the application to continue to meet business needs. When you leverage ZIA Managed Services, you gain access to our value on day one. So on day one, your organization can have access to Tier 2 and Tier 3 support. And we also implement the standard operating procedures and cadences associated with the administration of your applications as well. So there's no time in waiting. You can have access to our economy of scale almost overnight. So when it comes to managed services, a lot of customers are faced with the question of build versus buy. What that means is, do I want to attain the knowledge? Do I want to attain the resources? Do I want to pay for the ongoing training, et cetera, associated with managing these types of applications? So ZIA has a very flexible approach. We can integrate with your existing infrastructure, with your existing resources, and only provide the services that are of value to you. So regulated customers have a variety of different challenges associated with them, but ZIA has a really simple approach. Regardless of whether we're managing your application environment in your tenant or your environment, or if it's in the ZIA cloud, we follow the governance and regulatory practices associated with your organization. From a security perspective, we follow the standards that are associated with your governance practices, as well as any audit and penetration testing requirements. If your organization is struggling with how do you administer these applications, how do you provide the care and feeding, then contact ZIA. ZIA has the infrastructure, the managed services protocols already in place to ensure that you can gain access to our best practices and economy of scale.